In this video, we will learn how to use the icon module in Getshop Today platform. To use the icon module, I'm going to add a column. And now I can choose any of the options I want. I'm going to use 1.5. Now, simply click on Add Module, choose Icon Module. In Icon Module, here you can see Select Icon. Select any icon you can choose according to your needs. I chose this particular icon. Now let me put some content in here and justify. In this place, where the system says icon link, you can put a specific link. Then insert icon text, click Save and go to Preview. Next, you can see here that there is this little icon. By default, it will always be set to the left-hand side. There is also one button link which says More Info. Let's see how we can do some customization regarding this icon and the icon position. Go back to the admin panel and then click on Edit. Here the icon is left now. If you choose center, it will be in the center. Now you can see here another option, Icon Properties. Let's make the icon size 60. Here you can also see the icon color. I would like to make it pink. Click on the icon color and make it pink. Now let's see icon background. You can keep it white. Next, let me look at icon border. Let's choose the icon border to be black. Regarding icon border thickness, let's choose this one. And as for the radius, let's keep a bit of radius here like this. Now save, go back to the front end and refresh. Then you can see this is how the icon now looks like. We should actually make the border a little bit bigger than the icon. So go back to the admin panel and again click on Edit. We can see here the option called Padding. If we go to Padding, we can set the top padding to 30 and the bottom padding, let's say, again to 30. And the left padding to 30, and so similarly, let's click on Update. Now if you go to the front end and refresh, the icon will look like this. So now let's see how we can position this icon on the left side of the text. Back to the admin panel again, we must click on the Edit. Now if you go to the icon properties and icon style, you can choose left icon and save. Go back and refresh, then you can see that the icon position is now on the left side of this content. So this is how we use icon module. Thanks for watching.